and thereof. Early lead is taken by Raggedy by Drill, Golden Angge on the outside. Moment in time moving up on the inside, Andalusia. And nearing the far turn, it's still Raggedy in the lead, followed by Moment in Time by the rail. And nearing the far turn, Moment in Time moving up on the inside, and Raggedy on the outside, Golden Angge. And entry number 1, Final Judgment. Rounding the far turn, it's Moment in Time in the lead, followed by Raggedy in second. On the outside is Golden Angge. And Final Judgment running in fourth by 5.5 lengths. Andalusia moving up on the outside. And Lucky Lord is bringing up the rear. At the top of the stretch, it is still Moment in Time in the lead, followed by Golden Angge, Raggedy, and moving up by this Andalusia and Final Judgment. Into the home stretch, it is still Moment in Time in the lead. It is still Moment in Time, followed by Andalusia, now moving up by the rail. It is now Andalusia in the lead, followed by Moment in Time, Final Judgment by the rail. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Andalusia. And finally at the payoff line, Andalusia, Golden Angge, Final Judgment, Moment in Time, Lucky Lord, and Raggedy.